Alrighty guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel today. In today's video, I'm going to show you a site where you can have some fun by making some free cash and rewards using any device that you want to use to do it on, okay? So stick around, we'll be right back here in just a few seconds. So cue up that intro. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel today. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here and you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Okay? Alright, and also what we do here is we do videos on how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money videos online to help you make money online, and general value videos, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you too, just to keep you on your toes, okay? Alright, so with all that said and out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on the content of today's video. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to a website. It's called Perk. The name of the website is Perk, and it's up here in the address bar. You see it's perk.com. If you come here to this site, you can have fun and earn rewards, it says, and with Perk. And you can earn free cash and gift cards and more. It says choose from hundreds of gift cards and enter sweepstakes for a chance to win some awesome prizes. And you can redeem your Perk points on hundreds of gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Gap, Starbucks, Target, and quite a few more places as well. And you can see over here some of the products that people have won already, like an Amazon Echo, Sony headphones, and PayPal gift cards, and Xbox game controllers, just to show a few here. All right, and this site has already paid out over $57 million in rewards or in cash to date. It's free to sign up, and you can do this all over the world too, so it doesn't matter where you're at in the world. This works from anywhere. Particularly if you have a PayPal account, they'll pay you to your PayPal account. So available anywhere in the world, doesn't matter where you're at. All right, and there's many ways to earn. You can get the app. They have an app for your phones, for either iPhone or Android phones, and it's also available, of course, on computers, desktops and laptops, and those types of things too. And some of the other things that they do here, some of the things they do like a word search. Perk TV, you can watch hundreds of awesome videos from your phone. Viggle, which is a reward for interacting with all your favorite entertainment. And they got even scratch and win. Imagine that. You can do scratch off lottery cards on your phone or your computer even too. Kind of interesting. Also, they got the Perk Pop quizzes you can earn points with. Explore any city or town, find places where you can earn Perk points. Perk TV Live, earn points when you watch your favorite shows on your TV. And they've got the Perk Wallet, browse the Perk gift card catalog and cash in your points. All right, and then Perk is completely free and pays you real cash rewards. It says join the millions of people who earn with Perk. All right, and there's over 250,000 five-star app reviews. You can review apps and so on and so forth. Enter your mobile number and download the link or whatever for particular apps. And some of those apps are like word search and, well, all the ones I just showed you up above, apparently right there. You can get those apps installed on your phones. And some more about it here, watching different shows or whatnot, and get points for that. And then pretty much is it. Come down here to frequently asked questions. You can sign up and create an account, is perk free. Okay, let's check on that. It's almost as great as early birthday present. Perk web browser is completely and 100% free to download. So apparently they've got their own web browser too, so that you can use that with this particular applications or website too. And let's see here. If we come back down here, trying to see about roughly how much or points you get paid or whatnot for this too. Perk tokens and perk points. What's the difference between the perk points and the perk tokens? Perk rewards points for using perk apps for entertainment, shopping, searching, trivia, and more. And once you've accumulated enough perk points, you can redeem them for rewards like PayPal Cash, Amazon.com, gift cards, Starbucks, electronics, charity, and much more. And if we click on the perk rewards, that site apparently can't be reached at this point. Come back here to this. And then here's some things you can earn perk points for watching movies. Pretty much shopping and searching and entering correct answers on the pop quizzes and so on and so forth. And unlocking and downloading apps with the perk screen. Now, perk tokens are a way to enter perk sweepstakes to win big prizes like iPads, Xbox, or PlayStation consoles, $100 gift cards, Rokus, iPhones, Android phones, and plenty of gift cards to popular retailers. Perk tokens are very different from perk points, as they cannot be redeemed for perk rewards. You can purchase tokens in our rewards catalog here, or in your perk app under rewards. Other perks, tokens are purchased with available perk points that you already have in your account. So basically that's sort of some of the things that you can do with it here. I don't see directly where it's showing me what I can, how many points it takes to win certain things or whatnot. I'm not finding that anywhere. But anyways, just basically want to come here and you can click on how it works if you want to learn more. It just says basically perk it when you play games, watch videos, answer questions, you earn perk points. And then perk points add up quick. Exchange them for real rewards and like cash or tokens, and then just redeem it. Choose from hundreds of rewards like gift cards, PayPal, the perk plastic paid debit card, and more. So you can get paid cash or rewards here for different things. Okay, so it's like I said, it's free to sign up. You just come here and click join it and earn. It's just you can sign up with Facebook or use your email and create a password. Just create an account here. Pretty easy to do. Pretty simple. Looks like pretty good. I'd say it's pretty good in relation. They've paid out $57 million to date at this point. So looks to me like a pretty good site to check out. Okay. Well, guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. That's going to be a fun thing to come and get involved in if you like playing games and doing those kind of things and working with different apps and having fun and getting paid to do it at the same time too, right? All righty, guys. Well, if you got some value out of this video, reach down there and hit the thumbs up button for me if you would. Also, if you want to see my #1 business where you can make lots of cash, it's affiliate marketing. Click the link down there in the description below the video where you see it says mentorwithkev.com. And then sign up on my capture page there, and it'll take you to where you can see all the bonuses that you'll get for checking this thing out, either through the free way, which is the free business challenge, or through signing up on the monthly thing with a 30-day money-back guarantee for just $29.95 to begin to get a marketing education that you can use either online or offline or both, whichever you want to do. So you get free bonuses, over $3,600 worth of bonuses for checking that out, okay? Alrighty, guys, I'll let you go here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down there. And I'll see you again here on the next couple days on the next video, okay? All right, you guys take care. Have a great day today, okay? Bye-bye now.